This is the Strange Attractor. I'm dealing with art, science and philosophy. What you just saw was the Fractal Art Calendar 2023. And this image contains various intriguing images from many different artists throughout the world. And you can buy it at the Etsy shop. For the coupon code I love chaos you get 10% off. When you get this calendar, you can see images like this one from Machina Infinitum. And Machina Infinitum has been in the calendar in the previous year as well. And Machina Infinitum really, they have many venues and where they expose their products. You can get Blender plugins, you can get Unreal Engine. They just released the Unreal Engine plugin this year. You can get it, and they make enormous videos with it. This is a play from Matteo Scapin, the founder of Machina Infinitum, and an experiment with the Mixpinski Skywares, creating this stunning cityscape. And as always, we compare the image with the Fractal calendar from last year. At least I try to not confuse the computer too much. But they have been in the calendar last year as well. And yeah, but I'm unable to show you the image. Enjoy it, and in the next issue we will then cover the May image. And see you there. Go and buy the calendar now. What are you waiting for? It's really not much time. The year just starts in a few days. Get your calendar now.